So we are in Kennebunkport Maine, and just down the hill here, I'll show you in a second, is Kennebunkport. It's November, peak tourist season's over, so for me, it's the best time to come. I hope you enjoy. Hand carved whales. Well, you don't see that very often. That's in the river. Love that old truck. A lot of Christmas stuff out. People getting ready. Unfortunately, Christmas will be past before I get a chance to post this video. This is part of my Travel America series. I have posted around 6 videos. I've got about another 20 on hold, and it's going to take a while. Best of everything shop. So that, see that white church over there, the tall steeple? That is the, I believe, South Congressional Church. So we'll go over there. That parking lot, kind of here, right directly in front of the camera, that's where I'm parked right now because season's over. It's parking's free. Wow, look at some of them houses. I can cross the road. People are great here, letting you cross. Well, the law is they got to stop, but they don't try to outrun you. So up here is the Clam Shack. It's a pretty famous place. I was here this past Friday and it was a huge line, so I didn't try it. I normally don't eat seafood, but I had decided I am going to try their clams. See here, a lot of stuff's closed. And not only was I gonna try the clams, I was gonna do it on video. Kind of excited, and I got here, and quite a surprise. Closed for the season. You see the menu there, and closed for the season. This place is extremely popular. Let's look at that over there. Pretty amazing. When I was here Friday, the boathouse there, that's where I ate. It was okay. See the sign there? Welcome to Kennebunkport. And I believe the water is heading out. I think it's low tide. I Over here's a lot of really, really nice shops. I like it. Only been in a couple so far. Hope the sun don't mess up that view, but it's nice. The ones I've been in were pretty nice. Reagan and Bush, 84. If you don't know, Kennebunkport is the location of the Bush Mansion, where the former president lives, or lived. Flaming Gourmet. Huh. Allison's. You know, I've walked up to here. I haven't walked over to see these little shops. There we go, public restrooms. Nice that they have them. Oh, looks like they have some beautiful things in there. This and that's for dogs and cats. Well, that's nice. Local, modern, and handmade. Oh, there's a fun sign. Hopefully we don't get in other people's way. Ocean Avenue. I don't know what street that is. It's just the main street that comes in. We got a statue here at the circle. So some of the fall decorations out. To our soldiers and sailors. Nice. And I'm gonna get ran over. Lighthouse Credit Union. I don't know what's back here. I'm gonna go back and then come this direction. Tides and Pines Trading Company. Lobster Store. Clawfully Good Gift Shop. Well, can't have too many lobster gifts in my opinion. Lupin Books. There we go. Candyman Fudge and Chocolates. A little store up here called Fat Face. Yep. Thought it was just women's store, but maybe not. There you go. Psychic by the sea. What more could you want? So, something to keep in mind as you walk around Kennebunkport. I'll show you some more around the corner up here. Some of these buildings have second floors, and there will be more shops. Very easy to miss. Mainly drizzle. Gourmet olive oil and vinegar. Wow.
Yeah, so if you go in and see anything, just let me know. No, that's very good.
Yeah. Hey, there's a good example. Sea Love there is upstairs. It'll be a busy corner. Ben and Jerry's, the Naughty Elephant. Honor system parking. Wow. Christmas is almost here. Aunt Mary's ice cream. Shoebox Company. Sea bags. They got a lot of nice stuff. I mean, it's nothing that I need. Seize the day. So I will say one thing about Kennebunk coming in. Oh my God, the houses. Huge, beautiful, old. I was impressed. I just wanted them all. A little shop called the Black Dog. That noise was that thing blowing by me, whatever it may be. I guess part of their trash. I'm sure a video of that is not what you wanted. Here's the boathouse. It's a hotel and restaurant where I said I ate Friday. We were going to go up and take this little walkway across. There's where we were a few minutes ago. So I was here Friday. It wasn't late, but it gets dark here early. This is all lit up. Looked really nice. See, there's the bridge again. We are back at the lobster store. There's a lot of hidden little nooks and crannies here. So the mainly drizzle is kind of what they have. Back again. No offense, thing where you can't read all the signs. Some of these places that look old are not as old as you think. There we go. South Congressional Church, UCC. Right there is the Kennebunkport Post Office. It's a beautiful church. I wish I knew a little bit more about it. No matter who you are or where you are on life's journey, you are welcome here. Well, it's good to know. My life's journey has been interesting. Church gathered in 1838. This building erected 1824. Nice. Learned a few things. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, hit that notification bell.